Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll introduce one of my favorite hot pot, Negima hot pot. Have you ever eaten it? In this hot pot, there are two main ingredients. First, Maguro, and second, Japanese leek. Of course, the ingredients are delicious, but the soup is amazing, and Zousui is also very tasty. I really recommend Negima hot pot. I hope you'll enjoy it with your family and friends. Yes, let's make it. This is 150 grams of frozen tuna. It is very cold. I'll teach you the tip of defrosting. I prepared 1000 grams of the hot water. It's around 60 degrees. I add 30 grams of salt to the hot water. I started to dissolve the salt. Okay, and then I add the tuna. I keep the tuna in the salty hot water for about 2 minutes. The saltiness is important to maintain the flavor of tuna. Osmotic pressure prevents the loss of flavor. I turn it. Okay. I remove the tuna from the hot water. Okay, beautiful. And then I remove the water from the tuna carefully. I transfer the tuna on the new paper and wrap it. And I wrap it with a plastic wrap. Okay, I keep it in the fridge for about 3 hours. Next, I'll prepare Japanese leek. Japanese leek is called naganegi in Japanese. In winter, it's soft and sweet. In this recipe, I cut off the head part. And I cut it into portions. I make fine cuts to the surface to be cooked quickly and bring out the sweetness. I quite often do this cutting way, because it prevents our mouths from burning. If I just cut Japanese leek into portions, the inside of it will come to my mouth the moment I bite it. Moreover, Japanese leek will be tender easily. Okay, I've then cut them. Next, mitsuba. Is it common vegetable in your country? Mitsuba is an essential vegetable for Japanese cuisine. It gives unique aroma to the dishes. I'm sure arugula, celery leaves, or coriander is a good substitute of mitsuba. I trim off the root side, and I cut it into thirds. The preparation of mitsuba is so easy. Okay, I set it aside. Next, I'll combine the sauce ingredients. I add 15 grams of sake, 15 grams of mirin, and 15 grams of soy sauce. And I mix them. I'll use this sauce to soak the tuna. 3 hours later, I remove the tuna from it. Okay, it is defrosted. I add it to the sauce and turn over it. Okay, I soak it for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll make the sauce for the hot pot. I add 240 grams of dashi, 40 grams of mirin, and 40 grams of soy sauce. That's it. The sauce ingredients are very simple. 15 minutes later, I turn over it. And I keep it for more 15 minutes. Okay, the tuna absorbs the flavor well. I remove it and place it on the paper. The tuna is ready for cooking. I'll grill it after that. First, I grill the Japanese leek. I turn on the fire and turn down to the low. I'll grill them with open fire to add a nice roasted flavor. I grill them carefully, not to burn them. I turn over them frequently. Nice browned. Great. Grilled Japanese leek will give the flavor to the soup. The browned look let us feel warm. Perfect. I transfer them to Dashi. Good. Nice. I turn on the heat. I heat them again to make it tender and bring out the sweetness. Once it starts to boil, I turn off the heat and let it stand for a while. Next, I'll grill the tuna with open fire as well. I turn on the fire. I keep high heat. Once the net becomes red, I place the tuna on it. It is important to prevent the tuna from sticking to the net. I grill it over high heat for a short time. This will also give amazing flavor to the soup. I turn over it and I grill the opposite side in short time. Okay, I turn off the heat. Great. I use yanagi knife. I cut it into big pieces. The inside is still beautiful red color. I slice the knife widely to make the surface smooth. I use all the length of the knife. Good. Nice. Okay. Next, momen tofu. You can use soft tofu as well. I cut it into chunks. Nice. Then I add tofu to the nabe. Good. I turn on the heat. Once it starts to boil, I add the tuna. If the tuna is cooked well, it becomes hard, so I add it quickly. Nice. Finally, I add the mitsubu. It is also cooked quickly. Okay, done. I open it. Perfect smell. The tuna looks so delicious. Let's arrange it on a plate, oribe. Tofu. And tuna. At last, I pour the soup. If you have yuzu, I recommend to top it. Negima nabe is done. I hope you will enjoy it. Perfect taste. And I'll make zousui with the tasty leftover soup. At first, I crack the neck into a bowl. And I beat it well. Okay, I reheat the soup. When it begins to boil, I add a bowl of the rice. Okay, I stir it to loosen the rice. Okay, once it boils again, I add the egg mixture. I pour it in a circular motion. Nice. And I cover it with a lid. I cook it about 15 seconds. Okay, I open it. Great. Looks so delicious. I turn off the heat and I mix them. Let's arrange it on a rice bowl. Okay. Finally, I top chopped green onion. Zousui is done. I hope you will enjoy Zousui as well. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced a Japanese traditional hot pot, Negima hot pot. It is really delicious. I hope you will enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.